Our world is somewhat in crisis, and restoration is a key piece of building a sustainable future. That's why we've all come together and the passion that we share in the work that we do. We understand what it takes to work in an interdisciplinary environment with specialists from agriculture, engineering, water supply, and we mesh all this together for a successful project.
We've had a close relationship with agencies for a long time, and our staff have been working in the field for 20, 30 years and have a proven record of creating wonderful restoration designs. When we approach our restoration projects, we're largely looking at using nature as a solution for a lot of the problems that are there, and really looking to see what information we can gain from the site, what information we can gain from nature, and how we can start that natural cycle up.
We not only understand how to design a mitigation project, but we also understand what it takes to put that project in the ground, as well as to manage it over the long term.
After we're done with a project, we'd monitor that project for multiple years after that. And while we're monitoring, that is usually some of the best data and information that we'll use for new design.
I love doing restoration work. Walking through a space where we've contributed to restoration on the landscape, it's extremely rewarding to go out and see those plants thriving and to really be providing habitat for wildlife species in the region and in general contributing to conservation.